Hello, this is Miss Johnson. I am going to tell you how to fill out your spreadsheet and then create really nice looking charts and graphs from the spreadsheet. First of all, I have already filled in, this is just a demo from, I will fill, your spreadsheet will already have the class average hours by media filled in. If this is not filled in yet, do not make a copy, delete that copy, and start over because this needs to already be there. Also, you will have already filled in this national screen time, and that is 53. That comes from an article that is no longer in your workbook, but that we might read at some point. Then what you're going to do is you're going to change this to your name. Yeah, I spelled my own name wrong. Okay. And make sure that you do capital letters and stuff like that. I'm trying to do this with one hand, which is making it difficult. So you want to fill in your name and then your totals over here. Notice the only thing that goes in these columns is a number. If you put anything other than a number in these columns, creating charts will not work. And then down here, you're going to have the class hours, which I've already added that up. So that's where I got that. Classmates hours, and you would turn classmate into the name of whoever the classmate is. Students hours, that's where your name goes. So notice you do have to change a few things. And then down here, you're going to choose one media. It can be any of them, but it's nice sometimes when you pick one that's a little bit different than what the average is for the class or with your friend. But you need to identify the media. I picked internet on this. And then the class internet, I'm going to come up here and find that it was 19. So I'm going to put that in. And then I have my name. I'm going to change that to your name. And whoever the student is that you get theirs from. So it is important that you've changed the names where there needs to be changed and all of the boxes are filled in. Now we come to the fun part. What you're going to do is draw a box starting up here where under B, you want to get the empty box right there and just get the boxes. It's important that you only get columns B and C, but you get all of them down to the bottom. Then mine is buried, so underneath that triple dots, I'm going to click and notice there is a one that says chart. So I'm going to hit insert chart. Now, this one defaulted to the circle chart. Yours might not. It might default to something like this. For the top two sets of numbers, you do want the pie chart. So I'm going to click and do the pie chart. I want to make sure that it is fully labeled. It says class average hours by media. And then notice that you have to get out of that in order for you to see it. And notice that it's got the percentages. It already automatically did those percentages with the math, which is kind of nice. Once you have all of this done and it looks correct, the next thing you're going to do is click inside the chart and look, there's a 3-dot little snowman in the corner. I'm going to click that and download as a PNG. PNG is a form of a photograph, and it's that file, that PNG file, that you're going to upload to your blog. So I'm going to go ahead and download it because that one was good. Now, in order to be clear and everything, I'm going to actually delete the chart because I don't need it anymore. As long as I have this, I've downloaded the chart, so it's on my computer. Then I'm going to go and do the same thing over here. up here, I'm going to go to the chart. I do want the pie chart. Notice the chart looks different. And then, but it is completely titled. I would change this. Let me delete chart because I noticed that I've got a typo here where my name didn't have a capital and I want it to be right. Pie chart. And then I'm going to click in there. I get download PNG. Okay, so I've got 2 of the 4 that I need. I'm going to delete this from here. Now I'm going to go down to the ones. The 2 at the bottom need to be bar charts. So I'm going to, once again, I'm going to click up here, starting with the empty box, go across and then down. So I get all the relevant boxes with all the relevant information in it. Go up to my 000 and go to insert chart. Now this one defaulted to the pie chart because I had just created 2 pie charts, but I don't want this one as a pie chart. I want this one as a bar chart. So I've got this and I'm looking and it's got all of the relevant information at the bottom. It has a total media hours for 1 week, total media time for 1 week. Ooh, versus. I need to change that. Something weird is going on with that. Okay, I'm going to figure out what's okay. So that's right. And I've got my national screen time. Plus, on this, I also have the reference as to where I got that. So this is over here. So now I'm going to download this chart as a PNG again, and then delete it. And I have one more I need to do. So we go up to the chart symbol, this, and I want to change it. I don't want pie chart. Okay, what happened? Chart editor. There we go. I want it this way. Okay. And make sure that you completely see everything you're supposed to see. Once you realize it is correct, I have a versus here again. I need to change that. That's something going on with the, I'll see if I can fix that so that you don't have to do that. And then I'm going to download this PNG. Now I've got all 4 of the charts downloaded into my downloads. And now those are the ones that I'm going to upload for my blog. Thank you.